Hey there, this is Avraham with ReConvert. This is a quick addendum video to the original video on creating previous offer conditions. If you haven't seen the original video, please make sure you've watched that first, as this video will build on that video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to select specific offers that were accepted or declined to trigger the next upsell or downsell. So we're assuming that you've already set up the main conditions as covered in the full tutorial. So let's dive right in. In this example, I'm going to select the previous offer condition and I'm going to create this condition on the post-purchase second page. And it's going to relate to conditions created on post-purchase 1. I have a number of specific conditions that if they were accepted, I want to show a specific set of widgets. So I'm within the post-purchase second page. I've clicked add condition and I've called this previous offer accepted. We'll call this certain offers accepted. Just for clarity, we still keep the condition as previous offer as per the original video. And we're going to say that an offer was accepted because that's what we're interested in. We're interested where in a case where on post-purchase page 1, one of 3 different offers were accepted. So I've gone ahead and clicked an offer was accepted here. Obviously, if you are interested in designing a condition whereby offers were declined, a specific set of offers were declined on the previous page, then you can go ahead and click an offer was declined here. In operator 2, we're going to select the page in which these offers exist. So in our example, these exist on post-purchased first page, but you can select whichever options are presented to you. In operator 3, we're going to select whether this is going to be on any condition or on one of the selected conditions within that page that was accepted. So for any condition, this is basically the original video. You can follow that. It relates to the entire page. So that will, if we select on any condition, that will mean that if any condition on post-purchase page 1 was accepted, any offer within that page was accepted, it will then show whatever we're going to want to show here. Of course, if we'd selected an offer was declined on the same page on any condition, then it would be exactly the same, just relating to the declining of that offer. And then we design what we want to show here. But the purpose of this video is to focus on one of the selected conditions. So we're going to go ahead and click that now. We'll then see a condition list that will appear here. By clicking on the drop-down menu, you'll be able to select the specific conditions that you're interested in triggering the condition here. So let's say we're interested in the condition we created on post-purchase page 1 of VIP customers who purchased a snowboard. These will all be created over here in post-purchase 1. They already exist. So remember, these need to be created on the previous page before they'll show in the drop-down menu here. So we'll select these 2 and we'll do the PP product. Okay. Then we'll go ahead and click save. And that's it. Go ahead, make sure that you understood fully this. Watch the video again if need be. And then once you've set up your previous offer condition in this way, then go ahead and test your setup to make sure everything works as expected. Run a test order, accept or decline the offer in the previous page, and then make sure that on the page that you're interested in our case, post-purchase 2, displays the correct upsell or downsell based on the conditions you set. With this update, you now have even more control over your post-purchase funnel. If you do have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our customer care team is available 24/7 as always. Thanks for watching and happy reconverting.